Hi, I'm Todd with DEWALT. Today we're going to walk you through how to properly install a drill bit into a 1/2-inch cordless drill. Please always refer to your instruction manual for additional operating instructions and PPE requirements. Be sure also to follow any job site or company specific policies that you may have. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to remove the battery from the drill. Once we remove the battery, what we're going to do is insert the drill bit into the chuck, making sure to align the flats on the drill bit with the teeth on the chuck. After we insert it, we're going to hand tighten down the chuck. Next step, we're going to remove the chuck key from the base of the tool. We're going to make sure we align the teeth on the chuck key with the teeth on the chuck. We're going to twist to tighten it down. After we have it tight, we're going to reinsert the chuck key into the foot of the tool. We also want to ensure we always use the side handle for the drill. We can insert it either on either side of the drill or on the top of the drill. We're going to insert it into the side of the drill by twisting it into place until it's tight. After we have it tight, we're going to reinsert the battery to assure we have the drill bit installed properly. There you have it. We have properly installed our drill bit into our 1/2-inch cordless drill. Thanks for watching.